Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Irish moss versus sea moss, which is better. Start by examining color, texture, and common culinary or supplement uses to set a baseline for comparison. Next, sample their nutrient highlights and typical preparation methods so you know how each performs in smoothies, gels, or soups. Finally, weigh sourcing, sustainability, and personal tolerance to pick the best fit for your diet and routine. Compare mineral content gently and practically so viewers can make informed choices for health goals. Focus on iodine, calcium, magnesium, and unique polysaccharides while noting how growing region changes profiles. Mention common culinary roles where nutrients matter, like soups versus smoothies, and how preparation alters bioavailability. Encourage trying small amounts to assess effects and preferences before committing to regular use or supplement routines for long-term benefits. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cool and fits most cup holders, which makes staying hydrated during long recipe sessions easier and more enjoyable. I use it when blending gels or tasting recipes, and it cleans up well. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Walk through practical preparation steps that anyone can follow at home with minimal fuss. Describe rinsing, soaking times, and how to blend into a smooth gel for cooking or topical use. Share quick recipe ideas like adding gel to smoothies, puddings, or as a vegan thickener. Mention texture changes when heated versus chilled so viewers know how each ingredient behaves in common kitchen scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.